Shubor naga Slem jong unongsan Hima.
Who are you? And then why are you late? Oh, stop. See, this is not the way. Last time also you were late. Why do I have to wait for you? No, sir. No. This is not an excuse.
Uba Brightstarwell Marbanyang ubade WMLA ka VVP ka Maulai constituency ulapan Jingdom yu manager ka Nhidcl namar Slem banwanpoi hamaulai mauyong Japung ban Leit Jurip ya ka Lynti ya Kjat ka balasdang ya Kjat ka Jingtrei kani ka Leit Jurip la yakut hakapor shpobaje minstap handai manager ka Nhidcl udang poi Japung hakapor shpobaje 100% minit minstap haba uba Brightstarwell ringkat kinong yalam shnong kila ya shakmat ban Jurip manager ke Nhidcl ulawan poi bat hadian uba Brightstarwell ulapan Jingdom namar kani ke Slem kaladei ke ba arsian kani ke Jurip kadei namar ki don ki jaka ki bla khongreng ya ke Lynti ya Kjat banshna ha ka ba sarkar kaladep mang pisa kumba shiklur tam uba Brightstarwell ulapan tep ba Jingtrei ya ke Lynti ya Kjat ke bajrong kumba nyos pa meter shimlahun namar don ki jaka bashna tang dep brukam ude thu ba sarkar kalapan kre ban pinyeng saya ki Leit surok kumba arpu pratali ban ajing shnga nya ka Ïaid ka yeng ki pajba
lentang re kane kapiang mosar tane uklam lentang re su thalai re ne uang dang unsale
Kani kabiang mo kani?
kapiang full dhalai full dhalai kane full dhalai
Entah apa yang saya cakap. Entah apa yang
Du haben kan spring har man Iceland på. Det gör att andra som
Halo maksudnya. So apa ni kita baru pindah ni. Itu dah.
kalau ang mesti ban pindah
Biasa.
Itu dia buat je ban आप इसका बताइए आपका जो एस्टिमेट है उसका
Who are you? If all of us can come here at the specific time, why not you? And this is not the first time you came here. Last time also we were here, and we have point out all these shortcomings that is there. No, but nothing has been done.
Unless
No. Tell me what is the purpose of having a footpath?
so that the pedestrians can walk smoothly without any risk.
Obstruction without any risk. No. Then you saw there, and here also. See? Okay. Now we have footpath here. Then here in this turning, no curve, and, from the road. Huh? Where is the footpath here?
I think there is space.
What space comes here? You can. This space. Obviously, last time also we told you. This is the space you can use. All this belongs to PWD. Last time
application
the Rangbak Shnong is here, Rangbak Dong is there. If any problem, you inform them. They'll do the needful.
Sir, I will directly communicate to you as well, and whatever are the deficiencies, that's why I came myself. I will get it all done, sir. No issue.
And one more thing, you have to do. All this. And the other one is up there, where previously it was there. Then they have dismantled. Then they have
ये
to.
आपने डिसमेंटल किया सर.
बनाने के लिए स्पेस आपका उस टाइम में शॉर्ट था
अभी
तो
मिल रहा है ना.
शॉर्ट था तो आप लोगों ने रुक जाओ बोला
नहीं, रुक जाओ नहीं. अब स्पेस है ना. Space है तो आप लोग
Don't worry about
Yeah.
space. Space is available.
Sir, we have bus shelter provision. You give us space, we will construct a very good bus shelter. That will be very good.
And that
for
one,
us.
no, nobody will.
Last time we have a shelter.
We have a
but we will give the
provision,
space,
but
sir.
they were already complaining that there is no space, there is no space.
Space is there. That's what I
Space is
told you.
there.
No, whenever you do the work, please work in coordination with the local
Sure,
authorities.
surely, sir.
Rangbat Snong is here. Rangbat Dong is there. No,
Surely, sir.
you
Definitely, sir. No issue.
talk to them.
वो bus shelter वाला material वगैरह बना है, वो बना है.
Yeah.
I'll provide
Because see,
public
no,
service,
we
sir.
are not asking something which is outside of the DPR.
Understood,
If
sir.
DPR said that is the length of the footpath, it should be.
We will give, yes,
It
sir.
cannot be that blindly you will just construct. You don't know what is the length. Okay.
No. The documents है. Sir, the above one that they have dismantled.
Yes, yes.
Is that location feasible? Or
Yeah,
you have
feasible,
any?
yes.
If you have any other location
No,
here,
no,
there,
no.
wherever, we will
That
construct
is
it.
the location. Ketua,
No, we'll provide, we'll show you that
Sir.
location. We have told, we have
one and a half bus stop sini.
आप लोकेशन दिखाइए आज ही कम से कम काम करेंगे बोलिए